Area of a triangle. 1. We have now studied how to calculate the area of the triangle when its base and related height are given to us. This means that the area of the triangle is equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by base multiplied by height. Now, if the coordinates of the points of a triangle are given, then we will use another formula. Let us see. Let us assume that ABC is any triangle which has points A 1 upon 4 into 1, Y1 1 upon 2, B 1 upon 4 into 2, Y2 1 upon 2, and C 1 upon 4 into 3, Y3 1 upon 2. Draw AP, BQ and CR from points A, B and C respectively on the axis in the form of a perpendicular. Clearly, ABQP, APRC and BQRC are trapeziums. Now, from the picture it is clear that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of trapezium ABQP plus area of trapezium APRC minus area of trapezium BQRC. We also know that area of the trapezium is equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by sum of parallel sides multiplied by distance between them. Therefore, area of triangle ABC equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by BQ plus AP multiplied by QP plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by AP plus CR multiplied by PR minus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by BQ plus CR multiplied by QR is equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by Y2 plus Y1 multiplied by X1 minus X2 plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by Y1 plus Y3 multiplied by X3 minus X1 minus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by Y2 plus Y3 multiplied by X3 minus X2 equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by X1 multiplied by Y2 minus Y3 plus X2 multiplied by Y3 minus Y1 plus X3 multiplied by Y1 minus Y2. Come on, let us understand this in a better way by using an example. Example: find the area of any triangle which has points with coordinates 1, minus 1, minus 4, 6 and minus 3, minus 5. Solution: area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by x1 multiplied by y2 minus y3 plus x2 multiplied by y3 minus y1 plus x3 multiplied by y1 minus y2 square unit is equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 6 minus 4 plus minus 4 multiplied by minus 5 plus 1 plus minus 3 multiplied by minus 1 minus 6 square unit, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 11 plus minus 4 multiplied by minus 6 plus minus 3 multiplied by minus 7 square unit, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 11 plus 24 plus 21 square unit is equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 56 square unit is equal to 28 square unit.